गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करुणा पढ़े मेरे में आ चुका है 8th स्टैंडर्ड की ज्योग्राफी के साथ। और आज का हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है ह्यूमिडिटी एंड क्लाउड्स। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला हमारा क्वेश्चन है, फिल द करेक्ट आंसर एंड कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस। द वेपर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ एयर डिपेंड्स ऑन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ एयर। द अमाउंट ऑफ वेपर इन 1 cu of air shows the absolute humidity. As the relative humidity is less in desert areas, the air is dry there. In a free environment, the conditions of vapor present in the atmosphere takes place around dust particles. From choose the correct option. Condition is the transformation of water vapor into liquid state. The moisture holding capacity of the air depends on its temperature. Absolute humidity is measured in grams as per cubic meters of air. Dew drop occurs when the air has a relative humidity of 100%. Relative humidity is expressed in percentage. As the air temperature increases, the air capacity of holding water increases. The dearest has the lowest relative humidity. The process of densification is also known as condensation. The various forms of condensation are fog, dew, frost, cloud, etc. Clouds high in the sky are made of ice crystal or crisis. If there are any smoke in the air, it combines with the fog to produce smog. Dew is mostly like to form when humid air contains cold ground. The temperature at which the liquid solidifies is called freezing point. The cumulus clouds are indicators of pleasant weather. Name the following any form of water falling on the earth's surface from the clouds. Precipitation. The amount of moisture in the air. Humidity. The process of transferring of liquid into air. Evaporation. The ratio between the actual amount of water vapor present in the air and the maximum amount of water vapor in the air can hold at the temperature. Relative humidity. The sun can be seen through these thin clouds. Altostrati, the clouds that look like bed sheets and wrinkles. Cirrocatus, mountains like dark and dense clouds are indicators of thunderstorm. Cumulus clouds, the process of transformation of vapors into solid state. Sublimation, frozen or opaque ball, hard ice, hailstorm. State whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statement and write in given lines. The moisture in the air is visible. False. The moisture in the air is invisible. The absolute humidity of air is higher near the coastal areas than it is in the interior parts of the country. True. The relative humidity is less in the morning and nights. False. The relative humidity is more in the morning and nights. In desert areas, the relative humidity is more than coastal areas. False. The desert areas relative humidity is less than the coastal areas, or in coastal areas the relative humidity is more than the desert areas. The false. In desert areas relative humidity is less than the coastal areas, or the coastal areas relative humidity is more than the desert areas. The condensed water or snow particles on the clouds are coarse and very heavy. False. The condensed water or snow particles in the clouds are fine and almost weightless. Frost and fog are form of condensation at a high elevation. False. Clouds are the form of condensation at a high elevation. Clouds are formed at the different latitudes above near sea level falls, the clouds are formed at a different altitude above the mean sea level. The melting point is depend on the latitude and water vapor falls. The freezing point is depend on the latitude and water vapor. Clouds float in the atmosphere due to the horizontal flow of the wind. Falls. Clouds float in the atmosphere due to the horizontal flow of the wind as we go higher. Always from the sea level, the atmosphere of water vapor increases. What falls as we go higher, away from the sea level, the amount of water vapor decreases. Medium clouds includes cirrus, cirrostratus, and cirrocumulus clouds. Falls. High clouds include cirrus, cirrostratus, and cirrocumulus clouds. The stratus clouds are ash colored and the base is unformed. True. Give geographical reasons. In dry air promotes greatly evaporation. Dry air, in which is a warm, also has a higher capacity to evaporate moisture in the air. Hence, dry air promotes great evaporation. Air becomes saturated. Warm air expands, that can thus hold more water vapor. When the air cannot absorb any more water vapors, the relevant humidity is 100% and the air is said to be saturated. Answer the following questions. During the winters, when you exhale a glass of mirror, what happens? If you try to do it summer, why doesn't it happen? When we exhale warm and humid air filled with moisture during winters, the warm moist air, when comes in contact with cold mirror surface, condenses takes place, causing a coating of tiny droplets, makes the glass foggy. However, doesn't happen in summers because of high atmosphere temperature and low humidity. In which season does clothes dry fast? In summer season. And when in summer season, when the air is dry and hot, the rate of evaporation increases and the clothes dry fast. In which season do the clothes take time to dry? What could be the reason? In rainy season, the clothes take time to dry because the evaporation occurs slowly in humid air. The why is the air in the region dry? When the relative humidity of the air falls below 40%, the air in a region becomes dry. For example, in desert areas, relative humidity is less, so the air is dry. How humidity measured? Humidity is measured by any instrument called the hydrometer. Absolute humidity is measured in grams per cubic meter of air, whereas the relative humidity is expressed in percentage. In which season is humidity generally more? In humidity is generally more in summer season because warm temperature can hold more moisture than the cold temperatures. Warm summer's air contains more moisture than the cold winter airs. How does the humidity affect the human body? The high rate of humidity makes the weather warm and uncomfortable for the humans. Low rate of humidity and also influences body human body directly. It leads to the dry and the rough skin. Observe how humidity affects the food material at home. Humidity promotes the growth and the spread of microorganisms even in the areas considered clean. Humidity contaminates the food materials and negative affects their quantity. Is there a relation between the formation of fungus and humidity? Is there is a relation between the formation of fungus and humidity because fungus starts growing when the relative humidity is higher in the air temperature is low. How is the earlier or late drying up of clothes related to? Humidity. Clothes dry up fast and air has less humidity as evaporation occurs rapidly. On the other hand, the drying up of clothes is due to humid air which slows down the rate of evaporation. On what does the percentage of ah percentage of relative humidity depends. The percentage of relative humidity depends on the temperature. As the temperature increases, relative humidity decreases and vice versa. What happens if the temperature of saturated air at 20 degrees Celsius drops down to 10 degrees Celsius abruptly? If the temperature saturated air at 20 degrees Celsius down at 10 degrees Celsius, the water vapor condenses to form water droplets. As the air cools down below the dew point, it is cooling of saturated air that leads the condensation. What are the preconditions for condition for a condensation? Usually the condensation to take place, the air must be full saturated, that is the air must be holding the maximum amount of moisture it can at that temperature. What is a cloud? And right, its types. Droplets of water suspend in the air away from the surface of earth is determined as cloud. It is basis of altitude. Clouds are classified as high, medium and low clouds. What are the types of रेन? निम्बोस्ट्रेट एंड कोलम्बस क्लाउड्स गिव रेन. तो आजकल बस इतना ही. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आएगा, वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब. और तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.